Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, you don't put 5 kilowatts in a normal socket. Yeah, so it will need to be replaced. First thing, we need to turn off the power. I got this nice little fancy detector, and we know that in the socket there is 220 volts, so we'll go to the fuse and we will turn off the fuse, which I think is this one. Let's have a look. Yep, there is no power. Good. Now we're gonna need a screwdriver and another socket. This one is just a Merline Guerin, whatever. Okay, so Phillips head screwdriver for the front part. Okay, so it's really pointy, flat head, which I don't have, but I have a no, not a flat head, but really pointy, like HP 0 or something like this. Have a PZ1, should be relatively fine. Now I might lose the little screw, but we'll see. Here in the room is so dark that I see better through the camera instead of with my own eyes. There we go. And we can see that. Let's have a look if there is any damage. According to me it looks perfectly fine. Should we replace it? I'm not really sure. I'll just take a socket, maybe this one, and we'll see if it's okay. So the main problem here is just the plastic, and that it's a bit nasty on the side. So this one got so melted that it cannot go in. Yeah. Well, we can definitely fix that. I don't want to change because I know that the inside is good. So just the protective cover is a little bit melted, but it's not gonna be a pretty contest. So what I'm gonna try, I'll take a knife and I'll try to widen up a little bit this section here. We'll see what's gonna happen and if it's okay. Okay, so what I did, I chopped the back where it was bulged, and now I got a torque bit which is got a little bit of a shape on the side, and I'll just push in like this here and then on the front as well. Let's see. It goes in perfectly fine. Good. I'll put it in. I don't know. Yeah, I know where the screw is. That's good. I prefer this way because I don't need to deal with the electrics. Okay, so I'm holding the screw, and then exactly where is the opening. There we go, got it in. It's definitely ugly, but if it works, it works. Screw it in and give it a test. I turn the power on. Power is on. Good. Let's switch something on and see if it works. It is on, and this antenna is on, so it's fully working. So that's it. We checked that it's okay. It's gonna be good, and we saved this one for another project. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.